All right.
Should you want one of these?
I have one. Well, hello. Welcome to this conference and to my wonderful message that I'm going to bring to you. So we are Pleroma. And, oh, wrong logo. This is our logo. And yeah, we have like problems with the logo and problems with people spelling the name wrong. So if you spell it Pelmora or Pleroma, you can spell it that way, but it's wrong. Don't do it. It's easy to remember the Roma part. It's like the city. So just remember this part. All right, let me get this out of the way. So me, just Lain, and I discovered Pleroma like around 3 years ago. What is it? Well, I will tell you right now. It's a federated social networking platform, and it's built on Elixir and PostgreSQL. So I guess you know what Elixir is, PostgreSQL probably too. I'll talk more about the federated social networking stuff later. So what is this project? It's free and open source software, licensed under AGPL 3, so it will always stay free. If you modify the code, you will have to give others the same code. I looked earlier today, it's over 1,000 days old. We have over 100 contributors and exactly 2,000 commits at the moment. So I kind of want to stop right now, it's such a nice number. So you can see it's a rather active project. I mean, it's still going on every day. So even if you haven't heard of us, we are there. All right, so a bit about federation. Well, why should you even federate? What is it? Well, it's kind of like the same thing how email works. If you have a Gmail account, you can write to a Hotmail server. You can run your own email server and write stuff around. That is, if you don't mess up the configuration and get instantly banned on every server on the planet. But yeah, you should do it to have control of your data, because it's your server if you run it. Or even if it's not your own server, then it's the server of, I don't know, a friend, a family member, or somebody you trust. And the other thing is you can control your social graph. Because right now, if you have a Twitter account, if Twitter goes down, all your followers go down with it. You cannot do anything about it. And if they block you, the same thing happens. So in this case, if you control the domain, you also control your identity and know who you follow and who follows you. And you can also control your experience. Like, there is no way to shut you down from API access, and there's no way to, I don't know, have some rules on your instance that you don't want to have. So you're completely free to do what you want, and it really empowers you to have the experience that you would like to have. And one more reason, Pleroma memes are dank. Love them. So because this is kind of still a somewhat secret club, you can still find like the real underground memes. So I hope this brings you to join. So I want to give some thanks. One for all of the Elixir community, because this is like such a great language and a great community and really helped us to move forward really fast. Then I want to thank Dockyard, because they are helping us build a really awesome PWA, because I'm quite good at backend, but everything front-end always looks kind of like a programmer designed GUI, so I'd rather have professionals do it. Then Platform Attack. They have this weird thing, Elixir developer subscription, where they essentially help you when you have a problem. You can ping them on your issue tracker, and for some reason they haven't figured out that it's much too cheap, so you should sign up right away. And Erlang Solutions, because we are using the Mongoose IAM, and it's just really great. And I want to thank more people, and this is in advance because I'm thanking you all for right now, after this talk, going to pleroma.social, checking it out, maybe going to git.pleroma.social, downloading the code, and then, of course, installing it on your Raspberry Pi right away tonight. Because, I mean, that wasn't doing anything anyway, right? You bought it, and now it's just playing it. All right, so thank you for listening to this nice message. And if you see me around, then just say hello, and maybe we can follow each other on Pleroma. Thank you very much.